point. 0.899. Perfect. On your paper, you should have that right. The other thing we're going to find there is our melting point and our boiling point. You see here that it's in Celsius, so please write the one with the C next to it. For melting point, -259. You can round, -259. And boiling point is going to be -250, and we round up for this one, -253. Finish copying that down. 7, Denasia, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Make sure you have all this written down. 3, 2. Nothing's good. 7th grade. All right. And then please cross out period and group. You will find these, but not in this app, right? We're going to have to look at the periodic table for that, so we're not going to do that today. Please cross out period and group. And then percent universe, percent humans, and electronegativity is also down here in this chart. We have electronegativity as 2.2. Please write that there, 2.2. And then percent universe means how much of this element is in our universe. So percent universe is 75%. And then who sees percent human? Thank you, OLV. Thank you, Alejandro. Thank you, Loranda. Adam, proud of
10%.
What is it?
10%.
Perfect, 10%, right? So this means humans are made up of 10% hydrogen. It might be interesting to look at carbon and see what percentage of humans are made up of carbon. Kanaya, what's that fun fact about the body that you know? What is the body mostly made up of? A while ago you told us what the body is mostly made up of.
Water.
Anybody remember what the body is mostly made up of? Thank you, Mr. Diaz. Thank you, Mr. Torres. Rochelle, let him go.
Water.
Water, right? So doesn't it make sense that 10% of our body is going to be H2O if most of our body is made up of
Hydrogen atoms.
water? Just a fun fact. And then 4 common uses, summary from info page. The way you are going to find this when you are at this point, please hit the next arrow. Your page might look like this. If your iPad is turned the other way, it looks slightly different. Both have the same information. Summary from info page. Summary from info page, you are going to read this information up here at the top and take down 2 or 3 key facts. So summary from info page, read this information on the top, 2 or 3 key facts. And then 4 common uses. We are going to find this below. Scroll down, you are going to see a number of uses. You can be generous with your uses. So for example, I would accept that hydrogen is found in our sun, for example, or hydrogen is found in stars as a use. You only need to find 2 uses for each. So cross out 4 and write 2. Cross out 4 and write 2. So where are we going to find the common uses? Where are we going to find the common uses, Ajane?
Below.
Where? If I'm studying like a random element, how am I going to find where the common uses are? Where do I look on my iPad? No, where do I look on my iPad?
And periodic table?
So you're going to go to the periodic table, right? Whenever you click an element, you're going to come to this. You must hit the next arrow to find where its uses are. You can scroll down. These kind of do really fun things. You can play with them a little bit. So you're going to have an opportunity to explore in just a moment. One more check for understanding. Where am I finding the summary info page? Where am I finding the summary info page, Curtis?
Finding something in page.
On the hydrogen page, right? I have to click next and it's going to be on that hydrogen page. So your task, you are going to have the next about 20 minutes, which is awesome, more than any other class has gotten so far. You are going to have the next 20 minutes to pick 5 elements and to fill in the data table about it. It can be any 5. You will be using these for your project though. So 20 minutes on the clock. How many elements are we picking, Antonasia? 5, right? And we're filling in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data tables. Go ahead and begin that now.